Do you find yourself always feeling tired? Do you have headaches and do you find it hard to sleep at night? This mineral that we are going to talk about today may just be the answer that you are looking for. Do you have high blood pressure? Is your blood sugar elevated? You might be deficient with this miracle mineral. Greetings again to everyone. This is Doc Cherry, Doctor of Physical Therapy. Merry Christmas to everyone. I hope that you and your family are all enjoying the holidays. Today, I will be talking to you a very important topic that might just be the answer that you are looking for. If you are new here in my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe and the bell button below so you will become a part of our community and you will receive weekly health videos that will benefit our seniors, you, and your family. Magnesium has several functions in the human body because it serves as a cofactor of over 300 enzymes which is needed for different body processes, including your muscle contraction, your bone formation, and even the control of your blood sugar level. Do you know that magnesium also helps with the pumping of your heart, with the regulation of your blood pressure, and even helps you with energy production? Two of the most important organs of your body, specifically your brain and your heart, requires magnesium, and it is most vulnerable if you are deficient with this miracle mineral. Do you know that the total magnesium in a normal adult is about 26 grams, and 60% of your total body magnesium is stored in your bones? 40 to 50% are stored in your muscles and other soft tissues, while only less than 2% is only available in your blood. Magnesium deficiency can be caused by different factors, for example, genetic factors, or it can be acquired through our consumption of processed foods that we are all guilty about, or the use of magnesium deficient soil in our agriculture, and even it could also be due to the effects of different medications that we are taking, for example, your statins or your cholesterol lowering medications and your antacids that you take to help you with your heartburn. Symptoms of magnesium deficiency may sometimes overlap with symptoms of electrolyte imbalance, and these symptoms would depend on the severity of the decline of your magnesium level. Here are the 9 symptoms that you should be aware of for you to know if you lack this miracle mineral. Number 1, you have twitching in your eyes and you have muscle cramps. Magnesium acts as a calcium channel blocker which helps your muscles to relax. Deficiency therefore means that you will have involuntary contraction of your muscles that will result to twitching and muscle cramps. If you missed on my video on how to relieve muscle cramps quickly, you can click it here. Number 2, you have numbness and tingling sensation. The National Institute of Health mentions that numbness and tingling could be signs of magnesium deficiency. This is because magnesium is needed for optimal nerve function. Other cause of numbness and tingling can be due to the lack of B vitamins. If you want to know more about it, you can click it here. Number 3, you have bone problems. As I have mentioned to you a while ago, 60% of your total body magnesium is stored in your bones. And studies have shown that if you are deficient with magnesium, you are more likely to have lower bone mineral density, which had been proven in research and had been found in both pre- and post-menopausal women. Number 4, you will have mood swings, you are irritable, and you may even have depression. If you lack magnesium, neuronal requirements will not be met. This may lead to nerve damage which may manifest with depression. This is also the reason why magnesium supplementation is considered a treatment for those people who have been diagnosed with major depression. Number 5, you will find it hard to sleep. Many people have difficulty sleeping, and breaking the cycle of insomnia can be hard. You may change your sleeping routine or you may lower your caffeine intake, but sometimes these interventions still fall short. When it does, supplements are one popular option, and one mineral that has gained attention as a potential sleep aid is magnesium. This is because magnesium has the capacity to release neurotransmitters that will help your body and your mind relax. And mind you, this is a healthier option as opposed to always taking sleeping pills that would make you dependent in it. Number 6, you have an elevated blood pressure. An estimated of 1.13 billion people worldwide is suffering from hypertension. Do you know that low dietary magnesium is a contributing factor to hypertension? This is because magnesium has the capacity to relax blood vessels in your body that helps blood to circulate more freely and help you avoid or prevent you from having high blood pressure. Low magnesium intake can also lead to stroke because of platelet aggregation, which would lead to thrombus formation that can cause stroke. Number 7, you have an irregular heartbeat. Magnesium helps your heart muscle to relax by countering calcium, which stimulates contraction. If you are deficient with magnesium, you will encounter irregular beating of your heart. Changes in your ECG or in your electrocardiogram would depend on the level of your magnesium. Mild deficiency in magnesium will lead to sinus tachycardia, which means that you will have a heartbeat of greater than 100 beats per minute as opposed to the normal 60 to 100 beats per minute. However, if the magnesium deficiency is severe enough, it will lead to what we call as atrial fibrillation, wherein you can experience loss of consciousness and confusion. Number 8, you will have severe headache. Remember what I told you earlier, that the two most important organs most commonly affected if you have low levels of magnesium will be your heart and your brain. This is because magnesium functions as a vasodilator. Studies have shown that people who are suffering from migraines have low levels of magnesium in their blood and in their brain. This is because if you lack magnesium, there will be vasoconstriction in your blood vessels of the brain, which can give you acute headache or migraines. Number 9, you have high blood sugar. Magnesium helps with carbohydrate metabolism. A diet low in magnesium had been linked to an increased risk of diabetes. A meta-analysis, which is a combination of different randomized controlled trial published in the Journal of Internal Medicine, which included 286,668 participants, concluded that low magnesium can increase one's risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The same study also proposed that having 100 milligrams of magnesium will prevent one from developing type 2 diabetes. There is also a randomized controlled trial done last 2017 that linked low magnesium to patients who would develop kidney disease for persons already diagnosed with diabetes, and that low magnesium can be used as a biomarker for one to know the probability of developing chronic kidney disease for persons already diagnosed with diabetes. The United States Nutrition Board recommends at least 420 milligrams of magnesium for adult males and 320 milligrams for adult females. For you to have magnesium from natural sources, you should always remember that the food that are high in fiber are also generally high in magnesium. Food sources of magnesium would include your whole wheat grains, your legumes, your nuts, especially your almonds, your pumpkin seeds, and green leafy vegetables, especially your spinach and your broccoli. You can also have your magnesium from your meat, from your dark chocolate, and even from your coffee. In clinical practice, your magnesium level would be checked through your blood test, which should be between the range of 0.7 to 1 millimoles per liter. However, a normal range does not necessarily mean that you have adequate amount of magnesium in your body, because remember, as what I told you before, only less than 2% is available in your blood. This is the reason why that it is important for you to take note of the symptoms that I have mentioned to you a while ago. The Institute of Medicine recommends the higher limit of magnesium supplementation to 350 milligrams per day. There are different forms of magnesium available in the market, and its absorption also varies. Plus, you can also see magnesium lotion and magnesium oil available in the market these days. it would still be best to consult your family physician for a more personalized evaluation. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you find this video helpful. Please share this video to your friends as well so that we will be able to reach out to more people. Should you have any questions regarding magnesium deficiency or any topics that I might be able to help you with, please comment down below because I would really love to hear from you. Which among the 9 symptoms that I have told you have you experienced? Please comment down below because I would really get back on you. This is again Doc Cherry. Stay safe, stay healthy. God bless you.